Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and do a video of me screen mirroring so I can hopefully make this week as easy as possible because it does look a little bit different. But I did this for multiple reasons this week, one being that the kids for math are moving into Module 8 and they don't have their Module 8 workbooks. So this transition is just going to be easier on all of us, and also, I just feel like this does a very good job of hitting the key concepts that the county really wants us to implement. So it does look different and it might take some getting used to, but please just refer to this video as needed. Please inbox me over here if you need to, or please do not hesitate to text me and I will get back to you as soon as possible with any issues that you have. So when you come on this week, let me go into student view so I can be looking just like your student. So when you log in this week, this is what you're going to see. It says, before starting this week, please see my latest YouTube video, which is what you're watching. Science is just a link. We'll go over this really quick. This is just a link for science. All I need you to do is about maps, which hits one of our key concepts, is it wants kids to understand maps. So you're going to watch this video and do all these little fun things that they have under here. You could take an online quiz game, paper quiz, or exit ticket. I am going to create 2 assignments that I will give that you'll take on Tuesday and Thursday. So just kind of read and do that. So that takes care of science. Now, for math, you're going to click on Math Daily Plans. And it's going to be laid out like this, which is very neat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're probably thinking, I thought we have Fridays off. Yes, we do. You are to omit Friday. You do not have to do Friday. So we're just focusing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again, you can do these, though, how it fits your schedule. I am not time sensitive on any of these assignments as long as you get them to me throughout the week. It does not matter. You do it how it fits your schedule. Up here, you can see the weekly learning objectives. You can click here for some vocabulary. And then all you need to simply do is log in each day. And for Monday, all I need you to do is watch the video, do the application problem, do the problem set. Nothing is in your workbook. It's all done right here. You'll click on application problem and you'll submit assignment, read this, and do the application problem. Okay? Then hold on, let me get back. And then for the problem set, you'll click on it and it's a quiz and you'll take the quiz. Homework is still optional, just like it's always been. You will not be penalized for turning in or not turning in your homework. You can do that if you want. It's optional. All I need you to do every day is click on this, watch the video, complete the application problem and the problem set. Nothing is in your workbook. It's all submitted right here. And this is how I will collect your artifacts. So, watch the video, complete the application problem. Click on this, take you there. Complete the problem set. Click on this, it'll take you there. It's all done right here. You can omit Friday. Okay, so that takes care of math. Now, for CKLA, I still will be uploading videos that go along with the skills lesson. So be looking for my YouTube videos that I post in my announcements. It's super, super important that every morning before you start or afternoon before you start that you click on the announcements tab and read my announcements. Super, super important. It makes it easier, I promise. Same thing as math. It's laid out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You are to omit Friday, but I do want you to take the quiz at some point throughout the week. Okay? So what you'll do is you'll click on this for skills and it's going to come up the skills lesson. If you are having trouble opening the document, please let me know. I was able to open it on my phone, so I'm hoping that means iPad users and such can open. But if not, I will be more than happy to send it to you as a PDF. It says you're going to listen to the Francis Scott Key read aloud, which is on my YouTube channel. So I will provide that link in my announcement. You will just simply follow the directions. Now, Activity 1 and Activity 2, that can be found right here where it says Skills Practice. That's going to be the worksheet that you can complete your activity on. Again, you can still do it in your journal, or you can print it off, whatever works for you. You do not need to turn these into me. Don't need those. Now, then you're going to watch the read aloud, and it says this week students start a new unit. They will hear some information about civil rights, so you'll watch the read aloud, and then it's going to say listening and learning lesson. You'll click on that, and you're going to follow the directions. It's the same thing as in my other lesson plans. You're going to follow the questions. Now, you can either copy these in your journal, or it's going to provide it for you if you want to print. So just like I provided in my lesson plans, it's provided right here. Okay? Oh, hold on. Now, down here, you can watch these as extra practice national anthem and making sense. Okay? That's all I need you to do. That's it. And all I need you to turn into me is this quiz. And I will make an assignment for you to turn in one of the listening and learnings, but I'll explain that in my announcements. Okay, so all you'll do is just come in, click on the skills lesson. This is the worksheet that goes with the skills lesson. Watch the video. This is the skills lesson. This is the worksheet that goes with the skills lesson. I still will be doing YouTube videos of my read alouds for the skills lessons. I still will be doing those. So you'll have those. It's pretty much the same thing, just a little bit of a tiny different format. Please bear with me. I just think this is the best interest for students learning their key concepts the best way. Okay, I'm here for any questions, and hopefully this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys.